Why don't skeletons fight each other? They don't have the guts. Mispronunciations for today.
Okay.
Obnoxious.
Nope.
Obnoxious.
Nah.
Obnoxious.
Yeah.
Obnoxious.
Yep.
Obnoxious.
Lovely. Next.
Integrate.
Nah.
Integrate.
Nope.
Integrate.
Yep.
Integrate.
Oh yes.
Integrate.
Wonderful. Next.
Entrepreneur.
No way.
Entrepreneur.
No.
Entrepreneur.
Yes.
Entrepreneur.
Cool.
Entrepreneur.
Amazing. Next.
Conscience.
Nope.
Conscience.
Nah.
Conscience.
Good.
Conscience.
Yep.
Conscience.
Good job. Next.
Chases.
Nada.
Chassis.
No.
Chassis.
Yes.
Chassis.
Lovely.
Chassis.
Bravo.
Synonyms of the day.
Wow. Let's bounce.
Strong. Resilient. Recall. Reminisce. Peak. Summit. Savor. Relish. Wise. Sagacious. Antonyms for daily use.
Are you ready?
Sharp. Blunt. Ample. Scarce. Worship. Despise. Sudden. Gradual. Support. Oppose. Homophones for today.
Let's do this.
Pause. Pause. Or. Overdue. Overdue. Knave. Knave. Lax. Lax. Vocabulary for today.
Let's go.
Transient, lasting only for a short time or temporary. Facetious, treating serious issues with inappropriate humor. Gregarious, fond of the company of others. Capricious, sudden and unaccountable changes of mood and behavior. Coalesce, to come together or unite. Idioms for daily use.
Let's do this.
Drop the ball, failing to complete or fulfill a responsibility. A penny saved is a penny earned. Saving money is just as valuable as earning it. Caught between a rock and a hard place. Stuck in a difficult or challenging situation. Feather in your cap. An accomplishment or achievement to be proud of. On thin ice, in a risky or dangerous situation. Guess the riddle.
Riddle for fun. Let's go.
What can you hold without ever touching it? If you know the answer, let us know down in the comments and let's have some fun there. Until next time, see you, goodbye.